The RightBack team is excited to participate on the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference in Atlanta from the 16th to the 20th of March. As proud sponsors, we are looking forward to connect with the Power BI community and talk about actionable insights and collaboration. RightBack is a powerful custom visual that enables users to input data from Power BI reports to their database. Use cases like forecasting, budgeting, commenting can all be implemented, empowering teams to take action directly on Power BI. Designed to adapt to real business use cases, it promotes agility, collaboration, and shared decision-making, all this in a no-code environment. Since 2020, we have been building a brand focused on innovation and value, allowing organizations to go beyond analytics and take real action. With a growing global footprint, RightBack is trusted worldwide across key industries, such as healthcare, financial services, manufacturing, or information technologies. We are proud in supporting teams turning insights into seamless action. Join us at our booth where you can attend live demos where we will showcase the product, see the use cases around the different industries, and also meet the team. Finally, we have exclusive gifts so you can take something special home. Come join us and turn your insights into action. We can't wait to see you in Atlanta.